Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all are good. You are welcome on Flexure. Today we will discuss differential equations. So, firstly, we move on our motivational thought, then we will start. So, our motivational thought is देखा हुआ सपना सपना ही रह जाता है जब तक उसे पूरा करने के लिए मेहनत ना की जाए. So, let's start our topic. Today we will discuss differential equations. Differential equation with variable coefficient. Variable coefficient means our solution given in series. Series means when we change our series, then our coefficient also change with series. So we call variable coefficients. Four type of differential equation. First, Legendre equation. Second, Bessel's equation. Third, Hermite equations. Fourth, Laguerre equations. And the solution gives in two ways. First is power series solution method and second is Frobenius method. So discuss one by one. Firstly, we discuss what is ordinary point and singular point and how it is found. So standard form of second order differential equation. Second order differential equations. You remember it. This is our second order differential equation. A2 derivative double derivative of y over dx square plus a1 derivative of y with respect to x plus a naught y. Here a2, a1 and a naught may be a function of x or not. When these a naught, a1 and a2 are not a function of x, then we call it is a constant. Next, move ordinary point. We know about what is the a naught, a1, a2 all point discussed in previous slide. So at x is equal to a, ratio of a1 over a2 and a naught over a2 are gives finite value. Then we call x is equal to a is our ordinary point, and these two terms give infinite value. Then we call x is equal to a is singular point. So for example, we will consider these two terms gives infinite value. Then we further discuss this point is a regular singular point or irregular singular point. So check at x is equal to a, x minus a into a1 over a2 and x minus a whole square into a naught over a2 gives finite values. These two terms gives finite value. Then we call it is a regular singular point. And other ways, these two terms gives infinite values. Then we call a is a irregular singular point. Now we will discuss solution of these equation. Case first. At x is equal to a is a ordinary point of differential equation. Then we will use power series solution method. Power series solution method is power series solution method. Y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak into x minus a whole power k. In this series, when we take different value of k, then our series variable. So this is a constant. So we call constant also variable. In first slide we call variable constant. So this means variable constant. This means we call variable constants. So when our point is ordinary point, then we use this method. Next, our at x is equal to a, it is given singular point. In singular, only regular singular, not irregular singulars. Then we use Frobenius method. Frobenius method is y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x minus a whole power m plus k. In power series solution, whole power x minus a whole power is only k. In Frobenius method, whole power m plus k. So our x is equal to a given our ordinary point, then we will use power series solution, and x is equal to a is a regular singular point. This is, remember, regular singular point. Then we will use Frobenius method. So in this lecture, all point discussed, ordinary point, singular point, and solutions. So next we will discuss next lecture. If you like this video, then you share and subscribe these channels and like also. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.